Hey buddy, today in this video we're making Cantonese scrambled eggs with shrimp. Let's begin. We're going to prepare the sauce first. We need 3 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce. 1, 2, 3. We need 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. There we go. 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. And a 1/4 teaspoon of ground white pepper. Okay, next we're going to take everything and mix it all together. Okay, we're going to put this to the side. We have here 16 pieces of shrimp, thawed, peeled, and deveined. We're going to marinate the shrimp first. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. There we go, 1 tablespoon. 1/2 tablespoon of sesame oil. And 1/2 tablespoon of Shaoxing cooking wine. A good substitute would be sherry cooking wine. There you go, that's 1/2 tablespoon. We're going to put in 1/4 teaspoon of ground white pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Next, take everything and mix it all together. Okay, everything is nicely mixed in with the 16 pieces of shrimp. The size of the shrimp we're using is 2630. And now we're going to put this to the side. We need a 1/4 cup of chopped up green onions. There you go, we have 1/4 cup of green onions. Okay, and next we're going to need 6 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last egg, 6. Okay, now we're going to take the 6 eggs and stir it all together. Okay, the egg is nicely blended. We have here 3 tablespoons of water, and we're going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to the 3 tablespoons of water. And we're just going to stir everything in. Okay, the cornstarch and water mixture looks good, and we're going to pour it into the egg. Mix in the cornstarch and water mixture. 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. 1/2 tablespoon of Shaoxing cooking wine. And stir everything all together. Okay, we're set. Let's cook up the shrimp. Okay, the pan is heated up. We're going to add some olive oil. Spread the oil around. And we're going to put in the shrimp. I currently have it on medium heat. Okay, the shrimp is done. We're going to put it on a plate for right now. I'm going to wipe it down. Next, we're going to add just a little bit more olive oil. Then we're going to add the egg. Stir it around. Trying to layer the scrambled eggs a little bit. And just let it cool. Okay, it's looking good. We're going to add the shrimp back in. Okay, it's looking good. We're going to turn off the heat and put it on a plate. Next thing what we're gonna do is put some white rice on the side. Next, we're going to take the pre-made sauce and pour it on top. We're going to put some green onions on top. Okay, this is what we have today, Cantonese scrambled eggs with shrimp. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.